In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload documents to NotebookLM. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your sources are ready to use inside NotebookLM, whether they're files on your computer, links from the web, items from your drive, or just text you've copied. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so the interface is fully ready. Having your materials handy will make this smoother. Keep the files you plan to use in an easy-to-find folder, have any URLs you want to add ready to paste, and make sure you can access your drive if you plan to pull sources from there. Once you're in, look for the Add Source option. This is your central doorway for bringing content into NotebookLM. Clicking it opens a panel that offers all the supported ways to add material. If your documents are already on your computer, you can drag and drop them straight into the panel. You'll usually see a highlighted area indicating where to drop. This is great for quickly adding multiple files at once. Give larger files a moment to upload and avoid moving or renaming them on your computer during the process to prevent any hiccups. Prefer a traditional file picker? Choose the Upload Files option from the panel. Navigate to the folder where your documents live, select one or several, and confirm. Common formats like PDFs and text-based documents tend to work well. If a file doesn't appear as expected, check that it opens normally on your computer first. If your source is a website, select the website option and paste the full URL. Publicly accessible pages work best. Pages behind logins or paywalls might not load correctly, so consider using a public version of the content when possible. For research-heavy work, linking directly to the most relevant article or page helps NotebookLM focus. For content stored in your drive, choose the Drive option. You'll be able to pick from your drive files and add them directly. Make sure you have permission to access the items you choose and that any sharing settings allow NotebookLM to read them. Finally, if you have text you've copied from somewhere else, like notes or excerpts, select the Copied Text option and paste it into the provided field. Clean, well-formatted text makes it easier for NotebookLM to interpret your content accurately. After you add your sources, give NotebookLM a moment to process them. Clear, reliable materials produce better results, so keep your files organized and your links up to date. That's it. You've uploaded documents to NotebookLM and you're ready to work with your sources.